After months of planning, it's finally time to head out on this epic adventure. First, we've got about a 5-hour flight to Orlando, Florida, and then tomorrow we'll board the cruise ship where the real excitement begins. With a little extra time before we had to board the cruise ship, I decided to walk to the ocean and see if I could catch any snook from the bank. I have now fished through 3 rainstorms. I am completely soaked and the wind is making it really hard to cast, and to top it all off, I have not caught any fish, but it's getting pretty close to board the ship, so I think I'm going to head back to the hotel, dry off, and then we're going to board the cruise ship.